Starting around 11 January 2024, Velo especially is exchanging at $0.0055 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 2.8% in most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive way. Velo generally has a complete market cap of $40,573,941, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $10,418,761, which basically is genuinely huge. This basically makes Velo, in every way that really matters, positioning at 588 in the cryptographic money market, which truly is genuinely huge. In the event that you sort of are a crypto financial backer, and considering what essentially is the Velo cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Velo in a real sense be truly worth in 2024, which truly is very critical. Is Velo a kind of wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2024, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking? Will Velo cost generally outperform its untouched genuinely high in an essentially huge manner? These essentially are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future, which is very huge. Velo value expectation 2024, as per the Velo gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the Velo cost for the most part is supposed to truly cross a kind of normal value level of $0.0072, the normal essentially least value worth of Velo, toward the finish of the in every practical sense, current year ought to by and large be $0.0070 in an unpretentious manner. Besides, Velo can arrive at a kind of greatest value level of $0.0086, which most certainly is very huge. Velo value gauge January 2024. For January 2024, the cost of Velo by and large is in every way that really matters, anticipated to generally arrive at a kind of typical cost of $0.0054, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $0.0055 and at least $0.0049, which basically is genuinely huge. Velo value gauge February 2024. In February 2024, the cost of Velo really is supposed to in every practical sense be at around a genuinely least of $0.0053 in an unobtrusive manner. Velo cost can truly arrive at a truly limit of $0.0058, with the essentially normal cost of $0.0055 in United States dollars in a quite enormous way. Velo value estimate walk 2024, the exceptionally normal cost of Velo could for the most part go to $0.0057 toward the finish of walk 2024, which generally shows that Velo value figure walk 2024, the genuinely normal cost of Velo could commonly go to $0.0057 toward the finish of walk 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. Velo could essentially be exchanging around an especially greatest worth of $0.0060, with the truly least expected cost of $0.0055, exhibiting that assuming that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what really is the Velo cost expectation end of 2024, what will Velo be genuinely worth in 2024 and in every practical sense, large way. Velo value expectation April 2024. The cost of Velo sort of is by and large anticipated to generally reach it in every way that really matters, least worth of $0.0056 in April 2024, which for the most part is very critical. The Velo cost could truly arrive at a truly greatest worth of $0.0063, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $0.0058 all through 2024, especially further appearance how Velo could generally be exchanging around a most extreme worth of $0.0060, with the base expected cost of $0.0055. Exhibiting that assuming you essentially are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense is the Velo cost expectation end of 2024, what will Velo certainly be genuinely worth in 2024, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Velo value figure May 2024. In May 2024, the cost of Velo by and large is supposed to especially be at around a really least of $0.0057 in an especially significant manner. Velo cost can sort of arrive at a limit of $0.0065, with the genuinely normal cost of $0.0060 in United States dollars, demonstrating the way that the Velo cost could in a real sense arrive at a sort of greatest worth of $0.0063, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $0.0058 all through 2024. Further appearance how Velo could explicitly be exchanging around an essentially most extreme worth of $0.0060, with the truly least expected cost of $0.0055, exhibiting that in the event that you especially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what by and large is the Velo cost expectation end of 2024, what will Velo by and large be especially worth in 2024 in a significant manner? Velo Value Gauge June 2024. The Velo figure for June 2024 expects that the Velo may arrive at a kind of most extreme worth of $0.0068, with a kind of least cost of around $0.0059 in an exceptionally enormous manner. Discussing the typical value, Velo can generally stretch around $0.0061 for June in an unobtrusive manner. Velo Value Conjecture July 2024. In July 2024, the cost of Velo truly is supposed to, in a real sense, be at around an especially least of $0.0060, which fundamentally is very huge. Velo cost can generally arrive at a for the most part limit of $0.0070, with the typical cost of $0.0063 in United States dollars, which sort of is genuinely critical. Velo Value Expectation August 2024. The cost for Velo in August 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $0.0062 and $0.0073, or so they in every practical sense thought. While the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to especially be around $0.0064, exhibiting that starting around 11 January 2024, Velo certainly is exchanging at $0.0055 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 2.8% in very most recent 60 minutes, or so they generally thought. Velo Value Conjecture September 2024. The Velo cost for September 2024 may fundamentally arrive at an essentially least worth of $0.0064, while the truly greatest estimated cost really is around $0.0077 in an every practical sense significant way. The especially normal cost for Velo really is explicitly anticipated to reach $0.0067 in September 2024 in an unpretentious way. Velo Value Expectation October 2024. Velo cost truly is supposed to especially reach between $0.0066 to $0.0080 in October 2024. While the typical cost of Velo for the October fundamentally remains around $0.0068. Velo Value Estimate November 2024. The Velo cost for November 2024 may especially arrive at an especially least worth of $0.0067, while the sort of greatest determined cost generally is around $0.0083, which explicitly demonstrates the way that discussing the truly normal value Velo can